Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. And for those who are new to the channel, I just like to say welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a no leave out quick weave half bob, and it's going to be simple and sweet. Stay tuned. So what makes this so easy is, in my previous videos I showed you guys how to map out your quick weave so it's not confusing for you. So from this point I am making my center part and shaping out the direction I want my tracks to go in. So as I get closer to the guideline that I have set in place, I want to make sure that I don't go beyond the lines that I have drawn out. So now I'm going to go with the lighter color on the line, and I'm just going to alternate the two colors just to add a little movement in this style. And I want to keep my same consistency until I get to the side where I start to curve. So the reason I'm curving the tracks here is because I want it to appear seamless where there's no tracks exposed on the ends. So I'm going all the way down the line in which it appears as if it's a C-shaped pattern. So before I start getting all the comments about how I'm using so much glue in this area, don't be alarmed, because there are 3 different barriers that are set in place. And if you don't believe me, I have a video that will show you the details on how I thoroughly protect the hair in my video called the Pink Half Bob and the 3-week update that shows you what it looks like after the hair comes off. So you guys go look at it if you feel like this is too much glue. So here I'm just closing in the little circle pattern just to make our closure seamless, and we're just gonna go in as tight as we can get it and keep wrapping that circle. So off camera I went ahead and flat ironed the hair so we can get a definite view of what the hair looks like, and also have a little bit more control being that the hair is evenly smooth. So anybody who follows me know that I like to start each one of my cuts with the perimeter cut, and it sort of gives me a guide on which direction I'm going in. Unless it's a shortcut, I'll start in the center of the hair or a bob even, but I like to build that foundation, or better said, create the foundation. So a little bump here and there. And I love when you comb through the colors that it showcase the layer cut. Also, I do like the fact that you can comb the layers and create a variety of styles in this style. So guys, I guess this is it for today, and until next time, you be blessed. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit your post notification buttons for more updates. And I'll see y'all guys next video. Bye bye.